Hey there friends! So last time we had a little adventure with our shiny new Ikier infrared fiber laser and gave some EVA foam a snazzy haircut. The results? Clean, precise and just begging for more. So we thought, why stop there? Enter the modular mold for layered concrete lamp. Here is the grand plan. Take a plain old parallelepiped shape, fancy word for a block, right? And slice a spherical section out of it. Slap on some exaggerated layers and voila! Each layer is crafted from 10mm low density EVA foam. Quick sciencey note, low density means 45 kilograms per cubic meter. Translation, it's light, it's squishy, and we love it. Now let's be honest, our expectations for perfect layer alignment were low. This foam is as structured as a jellyfish on a trampoline. So we leaned it, gave it a twist literally, and turned the wobbliness into a design feature. Boom! Innovation. Laser cutting, same settings as our last escapade. 1000 mm per minute speed, 60% power, with a laser focus right in the foam's squishy middle. The foam sheets were used, huge, 1 meter by 2 meters, so we had to slice them down to fit our petite 410 by 410 mm work area. For the guiding rails we get resourceful, aka cheap, and grabbed a PVC-C profile from the local home improvement store. Every layer got 4 corner cuts to fit the rails, because even art needs some structure. Now for the concrete mix. This time we invited some VIP guests. Ikier fibers. Those little heroes make your concrete tougher than your grandma's fruitcake. 150-gram bag of fibers can reinforce 2 entire cement bags worth of mix. Did we overdo it? Definitely, but they didn't break the bank. The mix itself, equal part gray 42.5 cement and fine white sand. Simple, classy, effective. When we poured the concrete into the mold, we channeled our inner Elon Musk launching a SpaceX rocket. High hopes, big dreams. Except unlike Elon, our mold didn't quite survive re-entry. Reality check. The concrete seeped through the gaps between layers, and during the molding, most of the foam layers said, nope, we're out. Still, we salvaged a few brave pieces from the top and bottom, and the result? A sleek 4.5 kilo 20 by 20 by 10 centimeter concrete lamp. Oh, and about cutting the EVA layers, if you don't have a fancy laser cutter, no worries. Plenty of folks do it with diode lasers, or if you are a wizard with a sharp knife, you can even go manual. Us, not so much. We like our fingers intact. Total cost, less than $30. That includes the light bulb, socket, plug, wire, the whole thing. A few finishing touches were needed, like some light sanding to smooth out those fiber pokey bits and adding a soft cork of foam bottom to protect your fancy furniture. And that's a wrap for this experiment. Thanks for watching, stay curious, and as always, happy creating. Stick around for more wild projects in our next videos.